Hey everybody, I'm Rock and Roll, and this is Lou. And together we're going to get you fit. We're going to get you hard bodies like ourselves. None of those squidgy bodies, soft and white and roly. We're going to make you hard bodies. Isn't that right, Lou? Yes. Oh, I'm sure. Yes, we are indeed. We're going to give you lots of exercises, dude. We're going to get kicking on. But first we're going to go to Jane, who's soft and squidgy from Lisburn. Over to Jane on her testimonial.
Don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. I like my toast on one side.
Hi, I'm Jane. I'm really soft and squidgy. I've been soft and squidgy for so long now, until I started Lou and Rule's super workouts. Look at me now, and it's only been a few weeks. I do. Thanks, Jane, for that lovely testimonial. Back to the game. Make sure you do the warm-up. Repeat this form. Remember everybody, these exercises are in real time. Follow them in real time. Okay, walking lunges, remember, knees nice and tall to the floor, nice and deep, all the way down, walking back, keep it going. These are in real time, keep breathing. Come on, let's go. Nearly there.
English in New York. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York.
Okay, you're back with rock and roll. Let's get these squats deep. Come on, let the knees travel. What are you doing over there? Get on the squats. Come on, let's do some squats.
The letters make of matters, someone said. He's a hero of the day. It doesn't matter, suffer ignorance and smile. Be yourself, no matter what they say.
Remember, this is in real time press-ups on your knees if you want to do girly ones. Real ones like me, if you're strong like me. Remember, this is in real time press-ups on your knees if you want to do girly ones. Real ones like me, if you're strong like me. Okay everyone, a big finish from Lou and Rule. Let's go. Yes, everybody, let's dance, let's jump, let's jack, oh, where do we all go? Oh, we're back, come on, run, get harder. Yes, let's go harder, come on. Harder.
The letters make of matters, someone said. I like my toast on one side. You can hear it in my accent when I talk.
Okay, that's us for this week. Lou and Rule will be back. We want to do more exercise and have more fun. Yes, from Lou and myself. Let's go.